Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. In that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in the daily. So for long-term trading, stick only with the daily. Then we're going to go to 4 hours for swing trading. Then after 4 hours, we're going to go to 30 minutes to analyze for you if you are a scalper and a day trader. So make sure to watch all the video from the start till the end. Even if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here on YouTube. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash that like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. And if you could even share the video, you done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's start it, guys. As you see here, guys, that the daily candle is finished here, that red one here, and what it shows us that the second consecutive day we've been in a down market, as you see it here. And what me I told you, guys, what me I told you before, I told you something very important here. The last Friday we put in that two levels, that one here in the top and that one here down, and I told you the option people, they got top places where they put in the strikes of them. They put it here at 16,500 and they put it here at 17,500. What the Bitcoin is showing till now, also we still inside that range. So till now it doesn't break. Yes, now also we are very close to that level of 16,500. So let's say tomorrow if it's going to fall down here or it's going to go higher, guys. I think everything is too clear. And here in the daily, what me I told you, guys, I told you we got here that inside bar, that one, if it doesn't get broke, there is no buying, no selling. And by the way, some people they criticizing me. They said, why me I'm saying this, I'm doing this. Me I give you everything. Me I don't have nothing to move the market to go up or to go down. Me I just analyze for you, and me I give you my free analysis, so you will be thankful and tell me thank you so much. Not you came to criticize me. Me what I have done for you, it's me controlling that market. Me I'm just a normal person like you and I. But that's not our topic, guys. Here in the daily I told you when it's going to break up that we're going to enter long. If it's breaking lower here, it's going to go to that 10k that majority of people they dreaming of. But tell now what it's showing us here we staying sideways. There is no bulls, no bears they controlling, guys. And that two candles here, why it's happening, guys? Why that two candles happening here? About something it happened after the Christmas. What is it? It's named the tax harvest, guys. The tax harvest. You know the big whales, when they got Bitcoin for 1 year, they don't want to pay taxes in USA or somewhere else. So they closing those orders now and they will open it in the new year. So that is going to set them they haven't the Bitcoin for 1 year. So they are not going to pay for it tax. That's another story. And who going to tell you that? If you go here, let me show it to you. If you see here, that one here, you know MicroStrategy of that Michael Saylor, that's what they do exactly, guys. You can even read that topic here. You're going to find it here, as you see it here, for tax benefit, guys. So those people, they don't want to lose, but they close in now and they buy. So within 1 day, but it's going to tell them that for 1 year. That was me I've been telling you, guys. That way you see that market falling down today. And we got some news. Let's go into see it, guys. The news we got is that one for tomorrow. We got that one, the initial jobless claim. That's when the people they're losing the jobs of them. And the forecast here it's showing is going to go higher. Let's hope, because now the Fed it doesn't look at all about unemployment rate. They're looking at the home sectors, guys. Even unemployment it still have a issue in USA, but the home sector that's the big problem in America at this moment. The home sectors, the housing sector is the biggest problem, guys. Then we got here the crude oil inventory for America is going to come tomorrow. Plus here, our friend, the table of us, that 2 or 3 days we don't see it. What it tell us here, guys, as you see it, nothing was changed here. The only thing here, all US stocks, they are red today, as you see them. Dow Jones, it closed red. The SP 500 closed red. The Nasdaq, it closed red. And that's what I told you in the previous video when we analyzed for you the SP 500 and the Nasdaq. That's what it's showing here. It closing red, guys. And we told you it's still more pain in the market. Plus here, our friend, that one also we're looking at it every day, is the VIX, guys. As you see it here, what it's telling us, it's still a little bit of scaredness in the market. Also, we're still above 20. That's when people, they still scared what the next step or the next move from the Fed. Because that Jerome Powell is the most dangerous person in the most dangerous place. Remember that, guys. So it's still a little bit of scarcity in the market. That's why you don't see investors they enter and you see all the stocks they are falling. Plus here the dollar index, guys, I show you is going to close bullish today in the analysis of the DXY, and that's what it show here. It closed green, it closed the day green, so everything is still looking bad, guys. Here is going back now to the chart to analyze for you more. Here we are, guys. So now what should we do? Nothing. We just need to wait in because also we got a short position from here. We are going to go to it. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, guys, if you remember in the last video, what me I told you here we got. I told you we got here a hiding divergence. Yes or no? Let me show it to you. Look closer here with me, guys. Look from that level here or that peak here and that one here to that one here. What you see? That one is a hiding divergence. Should you enter short? No, my friend. Unless if it came and breaking lower here, that last low of that peak, even here it need to come to break for us that level here. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet, guys. Remember that. Let me show, I'll analyze it for you more. So guys, as we said, we got here a hiding divergence like that. Where is the low of that hiding divergence? Is that one. Is that last peak here. If that one break here, 100% you're going to see it down here at the oversold area or at that level here at 35. If it doesn't, also we still early, guys. It might from here it will go back inside. That's what me I told you. Yes, now it's breaking for us that uptrend line here, yes, but it doesn't break that level here. So also we still in a level we need to make a close eye at it, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So what is it now here at our indicator in the daily? Also we still in a downtrend, and lower than that downtrend also we been following from 2021, guys. Till now, and people they been with us from 2021 till now, they been following with us that downtrend. Every time we touch it here, we close in the profit. Last time we enter from here because we're thinking we are breaking it, then it fall down to the oversold area. We buy from here and we buy from here. When it came here, people they been follow me. I told you here, guys, take what it equal your investment to free you cash, because if you buy from here $100 and from here $100, over here in to close $200. So when it's going to come down to the oversold area, we're going to have $200 and we're going to buy from down. So till now, also we're still in a downtrend, guys. That's why me I told you free you cash. If it fall down more, we have free cash to buy in a lower price. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, also we enter short from here, from that level. Down here, I told you, close what it equal your investment. Here, I told you, close 50% of the profit. Then I told you, it gave us here a head and shoulder. People, they've been with us just a few days now. I told you the neckline is here. If it's breaking here, also we are going to enter long. It doesn't break. I told you, keep that short position. Until now, also we still holding one short position, guys. Yes or no? Also we still holding here a short position. And what me I told you in the last video, I told you try to give you here like a flag, guys. Look at it. You see it or no? Now you got here a flag. If it's breaking down here, it's going to go till down here. That's why me I told you keep that short position. Also we enter from here, guys. If it came down till 15k, also we making very, very, very decent profit from that short position. And I told you something else here in the 4 hours, guys. I told you here we got like that and like that, a head and shoulder. Yes or no? Where is the neckline? The neckline is here, down here. As you see, you came to that peak here, that one here. That one is the head and shoulder. So that one, it needs to fall down till down here to break for us the neckline, for us to know it's going to fall down. But if it's breaking that head and shoulder here, it's going to break even lower here, guys. It's going to break even lower here. It's going to go to that 10k or 12k, as I told you before. And another thing I tell it to you here, in the 4 hours, guys, we make it like that. We said we got here a up channel. Yes or no? Now it's breaking that up channel here. Should we enter short? Not yet, guys, because there is no big volatility and we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. From here, last time, we go up. So till now, that candle here will break in here in that level. It's not stronger. It's not a big candle like here. Let me zoom it like that. For picture to be more clear to you guys. Look here in the place where it's breaking that candle and also we enter short. It's a candle with big volatility, yes or no? But here, in that place where it's breaking here, that one here, it's breaking. That candle here, with that tail, it's breaking. But what that candle is showing to us, it's a weak candle. It's got a pushing from down. That's man, there is some people, they don't want it to fall down from that level. And that level, why there is those people, they push it from down? Because that level is a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. It came to it again. There is a push from down. So if it came a big candle with big volatility, 100% is going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what me I told you about that level here. Just the last video I talked with you about that level here. I told you, look at it. It's being reacting like a very stronger support here. Then over here, it's being reacting like a resistance. When it's getting broke here, now you are now in that one. Down here, yes or no? So it might, that one is going to fall down till here, till it will touch in that other level here. And what me I told you also we coming from an overbought area. I'm not going to close everything unless if we are touching here the oversold area, yes or no? So what it's showing here, there is no power to push that level here to break it up, and we go back inside to the oversold area, or where is the bears they controlling, guys. So also we still in a downtrend. There is nothing it's telling us the trend is changing. So tail is going to touch here the oversold area. We're going to close that short position, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. The one here also we enter short because we used to be here at the overbought area. People they've been with us for some time now. They know those things. Also we enter because we used to have here a up channel like that. Yes or no? Also we enter from here, and over here we're protecting ourselves. Now it's enter here to the oversold area again. Shall we close everything? No, my friend. Also, we are in a very, very, very comfortable zone. We don't need to care about nothing, guys, now. If it falls down more, fair enough. If it go up, we are not going to lose nothing. Actually, we're going to take profit. That's how you trade, guys. You trade without risk. That's how professional people, they trade. Not like someone, he said banks. Banks, they don't trade banks. Banks, there is no trading in the banks. Say investment banks, yes. Banks, they don't trade. That's why me I told you, learning from people, they never ever trade. That's the problem. Anyone he told you the bank trading, blah 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 blah, don't follow him. The banks, they don't trade. Banks, the job of them to deal with money. Every day they borrow money from central banks. Central banks, they put an interest rate. Then they borrow it to human beings or customers. They came to them. By night, they back in that money to central banks. That investment banks, that's another story. So us here, we are here at the oversold area, guys. Should we enter long? No, my friend, we don't got any price action here. We got here, yes, that flag here like that. But that one, it's need to keep to break upward here. If it came up breaking upward here, that's another story. But till now, there is no break up. So us, we still in a downtrend, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see now, 30 minutes, what we got there. If there is any scalping opportunity for today, so let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter a short position from here. When it's breaking down here, the triangle, also we enter short. Yes or no? Then me, I told you we got something here like that, like a channel like that. It's breaking here, then it fall down, it's hitting for the stop loss. That's a part of scalping, guys. You don't need to be worried about all those things. Now what you got here, look with me here, you still have that down channel now. Now if that one came and breaking here, yes, you can enter long, or another story if it give you here a price action like that. If it came here and breaking up, yes, you can enter long. But till now, there is nothing, guys. Also, we're still in a downtrend. And look with me here, that supply and demand zone me I'm talking about. Look at it. You see it or no? Look here. From here, we go up. From here, we go up. From here, we go up. Now we are in it again. Maybe from here, you're going to see it going upward tomorrow. Maybe it's going to break it and it's going to fall down, because now that one is the fourth time when it touches, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. So now you don't need to enter short. Enter short, it was here when we been here at the overbought area. Now we need to look in just for buy opportunity now. Did we got any price action here? Yes, you got that one as I show it to you. The down channel here. And you got here that inverted triangle like that. So if that one came and breaking here, yes, you can enter. But that one is too far. Make it like that. It's better. Like a channel like that. If it came upward here and breaking here, yes, you can enter, guys. So I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.